Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday the 23rd of January 2021, and this is the weekly Ichimoku analysis for the Euro and the cable for the 4th week of January. And let's begin with Euro. And after a bearish week, the previous week, right down to the weekly Tenkan Sen, I managed to find support there from start of the week and recovered somewhat and bounced back up to, didn't quite reach the 122.00 level. So there could be a slight continuation back up, but it could also be just a pullback, and then the bearish momentum could resume, bring the 120 area as a support again. So this will be a key support zone with the rising Tenkan Sen coming up. If it does recover further, then it could attempt to climb up a bit higher to just to reach the lower channel trend line before it dips lower. There's no major news for the Eurozone, so we'll see how it's reacting to the US dollar movement, because this was basically a pullback lower for the US dollar, and that gave way to a bounce back for the major pairs. All right, and let's take a look at the cable. Weekly time zone, time frame, and after a long wick spinning top, it managed to recover somewhat and retested the lower trend line of the ascending wedge where it fell out from. So it managed to stay above the support of 135 and tried approaching the broke above the 137, but still missed out on reaching the 138.00, where there's a strong resistance there. So there's another bigger spinning top with a bullish body for last week. There could be further range movements within that the range for last week. So this just get this right here. This was basically still ranging in the box here. Let's see whether it's able to break up from this wide range box. That's about 220 pips range, with support at 135 and resistance just above that at 138. So there could be further consolidation, and it will depend on the US dollar index then for next week. All right. There's only minor news with some UK jobs report, but other than that, no major news events for the UK as well. All Alright, so we'll see how the patterns develop from here. It's likely ranging before it is able to break out from either side. Right, we can also take a quick look at the US dollar index, and that's the daily chart where it weakened from the start and finding support now at the 90 figure. If we look at the weekly time frame, that was the bearish pullback, so it's still possible that it's may also consolidate in this range from 90 or just below 90 to the 90.50 area. So unless it breaks out higher and tests the this high near the daily 55 EMA, then the other major pairs could retrace lower. Or if it does give way and rolls over lower, then the major pairs has a chance to break out higher. Alright, so we'll see, but at the moment it looks likely that there could be just further consolidation for next week or so. Okay. Alright, so do check out my other videos on spot gold and dollar yen, and weekly technical analysis for the other major pairs. And have a safe week and a good trading week then, and cheers for now.